Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play LittleBigPlanet. While the official online servers for LittleBigPlanet are no longer active, you can still enjoy this creative platformer. Many dedicated fans have established community-run servers, allowing players to continue experiencing the game's online features. To get started, you will need a PlayStation 3, PlayStation Vita, or a compatible emulator, along with a copy of the game. This method opens up a world of user-generated content. To connect to these fan-made servers, your next step is to find a reputable community project. A popular example is Project Lighthouse, which provides detailed guides. You will typically need to patch your game client, which often involves changing your console's domain name system settings. This process redirects your game to the community server instead of the defunct official ones. Always follow the specific instructions provided by the server project for a smooth setup. Once you have identified a community server, install LittleBigPlanet onto your PlayStation 3 or Vita. Next, you will need to download the specific patch files provided by the community server. These files are crucial for enabling online connectivity. You can usually transfer these patches to your console using a USB drive or through a network connection. Carefully follow the step-by-step instructions to ensure the patches are applied correctly to your game installation. With everything set up, you can now dive into the world of LittleBigPlanet. Online, you will gain access to thousands of user-created levels, offering endless hours of gameplay. You can also unleash your creativity by designing and sharing your own levels with a thriving community. Remember, the engaging single-player story mode is always available to play offline, providing a complete experience even without an internet connection. Enjoy crafting and playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.